This video, just want to quickly show you guys how to separate your sounds. So you'll have your Spotify or Nightbot. I use Nightbot to play music, and Discord. So it's all separate. So you may have a situation where, like myself, I want to hear Discord in my headphones, but I don't want the stream to hear it. If they're swearing and all that, as I normally do, it ruins my stream. And if I'm doing my stream with ASMR whispers, you know, I can carry on doing my stream with ASMR whispers, and there's no issue with the Discord. Whatever's going off in Discord doesn't apply on there. But it's all changeable. You can easily add the volume up or volume down, so I'll show you how to do all that. And the other thing you can do is, if you want to play music to your stream, you can do that. And if you don't want to hear the music yourself, so basically the music will be playing on your machine, the stream can hear it all clearly, but you can not hear it at all, so you can just disable it. So sometimes I just like to game without music, but you know, the streamers want the music, so that's something else you can do. So it's really good to separate your audio like this. And I've been looking for loads of solutions on the internet, and I just couldn't really find anything that I wanted. There was like using these other programs, think VB Banana and Studio Banana, but like I say, I mean, it's just running another app in the background. So you know, if you're streaming, you'll have OBS Studio running, and then you'll have Nightbot running, and then you want this mixer running so you can separate your audio. It's just like taking more and more resources up. So this way, the way I'm going to show you how to do it is really clean, really easy. And let me just show you what you need to do. So basically what's going to happen is, we'll go to sounds. So most, let's keep it like this. Most of you will have this. So your speakers, all the sound comes out of that, your Discord, everything. So that's what you normally hear. But when we're gonna add these little add-ons, you're gonna have these three inputs and outputs. So basically you're gonna have a cable input A, and a cable input B. And this way you're gonna separate your sounds. And the way you do that, to get that installed, is you go to this website, VB Audio Software, which is vbaudio.com. I'll put it in the description. And on here you want to download 3 cables. So there's VB cable 1, or just VB cable. Download that, and then you'll need VB cable A and VB cable B. Now you have to pay for A and B. I mean, don't get put off. It's a donation. It does actually let you share it, but you know, so I could actually just share this with people, but I can't be bothered. People emailing me and getting these files all day. You'll be just quicker just going on this website, getting A and B, and just donate something. I only donated $5 or €5. I think it was about £4.50 or something, but you can donate what you want. But they're really good to have, and I've known people that have used these for a long time. This software is really clean and simple to use, and no issues whatsoever. So anyway, download that, download VB cable A and B, and that'll be that. Oh, this is what I was on about. People use a voice meter. You can do what I'm going to do using all this, something called Banana, but look at it. I mean, you want that running in the background all the time. It's up to you. You know, the way I've got it set it up, I've got none of these extra programs. It's just part of Windows, the way it's all running now. So download those 2 cables. So you'll have 3 in total. They're really easy to install. So this is the driver pack for cable A. Don't worry about all them. You need to go down to VB cable setup times 64. Run that in administrator mode, and it will just do his install, and then you'll have this VB cable input here, and it'll also show on the output here. So you know, that's all you'll have. and you don't need any of this after. You just install that and you can just delete this folder. So I'll just stick that in my recycle bin. Yeah. And then the pack for A and B is the same. You'll have, you know, driver A, the cable A, cable B. Just go into each one and just, again, on the 64x64 setup file, just double click both of them and then you can just delete that. And you'll have this set up then. And then what you want to do is designate what software program you want each cable to use. So for me, I've got cable, my normal sound, cable sound, is all coming out of cable import. So if I go down here, you'll also install all these cables on this section on your sound, so it's really going to be easy for you to configure. Like I said, that's what it means when I said it, you know, it becomes part of Windows. So your cable input there, you can hear the sound. So my cable input is just basically all my PC sounds just coming through that, so you hear everything. Cable A, I've set as Nightbot. Nightbot's my music program. Now I've set that so I can't hear it, but other people can. So when I'm moving this volume thing, you can see, look, I can't hear it. That's because it's being channeled to that through that cable, and it's not letting me hear the sound because I don't want to listen to it. And cable B is my Discord. So obviously I want to listen to that myself. So again, I can hear that, you know, on myself through my machine. And that's just your default one anyway. That will always play. So let's get to this setup. So on my OBS, so what you want to do, let's say you want Discord. Let's start Discord up. Where's my Discord? It's there. So we want Discord to use cable B. That's how I've set mine up. So just go to, where are we? Voice and video. Output device, yours will be set to default. Just drop down list and choose cable B or whatever you want to set yours to, but I've chosen mine as cable B. So apply that, and that's Discord set up. And then for Spotify or Nightbot, it's a bit different because within this program, there isn't actually a way to, this is Nightbot. So we use this to stream music to, you know, my stream. And you can actually see I've got it playing at the moment, but we can't hear anything. But the stream would be able to hear it. So, you know, that's the beauty of this. I'll just pause that anyway. Yeah, there's no way to set, you know, within this program. I think the same with Spotify. You can't choose what you want it to output to. So good old Windows has a feature now where you can do that. So I'll just bring that here. So this is on settings, your sound settings in control panel, and then go down to at the bottom, advanced sound options. And you'll have all the programs that are open, you'll have them here. So if I didn't have Nightbot open, it wouldn't be on this option and I wouldn't be able to change the cable import. So you have to have your program open and playing. So I think Nightbot and Spotify both have to have the play button, you know, pressed with music actually playing, and then it appears in this section. So if you don't see your program in here when you've got it open, try pressing the play button and you should find it will, you know, appear. And then from here, output, you just change your cable what you want it to be. Like I said, it's part of Windows now when we install it. It's so much cleaner. So again, mine's cable A, and that's that setup. So Nightbot is cable A, Discord is cable B, and everything else is, you know, just cable. and that's how you'd separate it. And you'll find when you're in OBS, there's something else you can do as well. So I've got it all set up here. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see. So I've got my desktop sound, I've got a Discord, so I want to hear Discord. At the moment I've got it so the stream can hear Discord, but if I didn't want them to hear it, just reduce that volume and they wouldn't be able to hear it through the stream, but I'll still be able to hear it on my machine. And the same with Nightbot. And I mean, Nightbot, I've got it set up anyway that, you know, I don't want to hear it, but the stream can hear it, so you can just change that volume separately. And the way you actually stop Nightbot from being heard by yourself is you go to your cables in sounds, go to recording. I didn't tell you this, but you've got playback, and then you go to recording, right click on this, and you've got this option, listen to this device. So whatever you want to listen to, check it or tick it, or whatever you don't want to listen to, just untick it. So I've got this unticked, so I don't want to listen to the music. So I've just left that unticked, so I can't hear nothing, but again, it will go through the stream, they'll hear everything. And that's based on this bar here. So that's a really easy way of separating all your audio and really having, you know, much better control over it within OBS Studio. I find it so much cleaner and so much yeah, less complicated, and it doesn't really use much resources at all. So I hope that's helps you guys, and if you have any questions or queries, just let me know. If you have problems setting this up, but you know, give it a go. I've given you the basics. You might have to play around with it a little bit, how you want to do it, but this is the best way to separate your audio, and you'll have full control whether you want to hear stuff, not hear stuff, stream wants to hear stuff, you don't want them to hear stuff. You'll have full control over that. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.